Verifying your identity on WPForms is essential for maintaining security and ensuring that your submissions are legitimate. If your verification fails, follow these steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email address associated with your WPForms account. Look for any verification emails that may have been sent and follow the instructions provided in those emails. Step 2. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause issues with verification. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart your browser and attempt the verification process again. Step 3. Use a different browser or device. If clearing your cache doesn't work, try using a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is related to your current browser settings or extensions. Step 4. Verify your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If you continue to experience issues, reach out to WPForms support for assistance. Provide them with details about the verification failure, and they will guide you through the next steps to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on WPForms. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from support.